Hey, hi, welcome to JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do monthly reading for the five signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, this is the monthly reading for the five signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Whether you have your Sun, Moon, Rising sign, five sign in your Sun, Moon, Rising. This video is for you. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, whether you have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in your Sun, Moon, Rising signs, you are here. You are most welcome to see this reading because this is a general five sign reading. This is gonna resonate with each of you. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, your monthly reading for this month is here for you. Okay, so others have 3 cards, I have 6 cards, past, present, future. To elaborate, I have elaborated the reading. I have this clarification card and outcome card, so you will get a detailed reading over here. So wait and watch. This video is gonna be a different reading because I'm not just dealing with one card, love, for career and finance. That's a different reading. You can watch out my other videos. This is completely for love, past, present, future, complete energy, effect of those carry forward energy, and carry for the energy you will carry forward, entire energy of the entire month. Okay, that's all you have for this reading. Okay, so let's check out what's in your cards. Okay, 5 signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Monthly reading for this month is ahead. Okay, thank you. Let's see your cards. Okay, I hope you have watched my last video for the month of July. So let's talk about August. So you have others do 3 card reading. I have elaborated this reading. I have clarification card with additional this outcome card. Okay, so you are going to get clear vision of the whole month. Even a month, past month and future months will be interlinked in this reading. So it's a detailed reading. So in the past or in the month of July, you might have expected some communication from someone, and right now you are in a stable love relationship and stable family home situationship. But in the future, that's September might be, because this I'm taking 3 months here. Okay, actually I'm doing 3 months reading. Okay, but it's interlinked, and I'm doing keeping this month what I'm talking about, that was July, and this is August. This month will be in the center. I will take what energies has been carried forward from the past to this month and what will be carried forward to the next month. Okay, that's why it is a detailed reading. So in the past you were expecting some communication from somebody, and right now you are in a happy home situation. You are abundant, you are happy with your wife and family, but in the future you are going to feel like left behind because some past issue, emotional issue, overflowing love and emotion and passion. You had huge emotion for someone. That's communication from that one towards whom you have huge emotion, full of heart full of emotion for someone. That one is gonna might communicated you in the last month, and right now you got that communication, and your heart that is full of emotion is just has start bubbling once again. Your emotions are overflowing, and that's affecting your present. That's why might be if you are unmarried, that's why you are feeling like you are happy with your family and kids. You are complete. That communication made you feel complete. If you are unmarried, you are feeling like home with your person, and but it's not gonna continue. You will feel left behind because you are not clear. You are not clear in your mind towards the future. Okay, you have emotion, but you don't have clear vision for your future. That's gonna affect this relationship, and you will feel left behind because you are juggling. So if you are unmarried, still you don't have sight, long sight, future. You are not imagining about having kids and family life with your person, though you are feeling home like situation with your person, but you are not having vision and you are juggling. That might be the case. Or you are married somebody from your past towards whom you have full of emotion, heart full of emotion, is gonna contacted you. That's affecting your married life, and you are just blindfold. You don't know what to do. You are stuck. You are not able to decide anything. That's making you feel left behind, and you will continue it by juggling things. So there is nothing wrong going on. Some communication came and you are juggling. You don't have sight because you are happy in your relationship. Okay, so in the last month, who have seen my video, you can see it was also giving two visions. If you are in married situation or you are in a couple situation, there was information for you. You can link up that information with this information, because I'm getting synchronicity from that reading to this reading. In the marriage situation, there was also an ex like situation, and right now it is also carried forward in this month also. But the person is juggling or indecisive. Indecision is good if you are married, but not in the sense that you are stuck. In last reading, the person was stuck, whoever that was, either in couple situation or in marriage situation. Why you were stuck from the past because of past, and why you are juggling because of past was past. As I said in the last video, I will still continue to say past was past. Let the past in the past. Okay, if you are married. If you are unmarried, you can give something beautiful to that relationship. If you are not in coupleship and not in marriage, and you still have emotion for that person, why you are juggling, and why don't you have emotion, just indecisiveness? If you have heart full of love for that person and you feel like family, then you should move ahead. Don't juggle, because that's gonna give you this left behind like situation, and you will become, you are right now indecisive, and when you will be left behind, you will again become indecisive, and you will become blank. You will juggle that whether you did right or wrong. You let your person go once again. You are a fool, and you will not be happy in that situation. Whatever the situation is, if you are married or you are in a successful relationship, don't let that, don't break that. I will not suggest you to do so, but don't disrespect that past person also. You can talk with that person and close that chapter, whether in phone call. If you are female, limit it to phone call, because your partner might suspect on you. And if you are a guy, still think about that girl's position and status in the society. If you care about her, though you are in some other relationship, do respect that other girl, and have a healthy boundary and a healthy condition environment when you meet, and tell them that the chapter is closed. Okay, and if you have such an emotion and you are unmarried, please, I will suggest you will repent in the past. Okay, that you lose this this opportunity, that some person towards whom you have this level of emotion and you feel like they are your kid, your other half, your wife, your husband, your probable mother and father of your kids, that like emotion you have for someone, then steal that person from destiny. Okay, that's your person. Okay, try to do so. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Don't feel indecisive. The whole overall energy of the whole month is juggling. If you juggle, you will left behind. That's my message. Okay, that's all for you, Aries, for the month of August. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.